Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's actually another unboxing video because, you know, as I mentioned in the previous video, if you haven't watched that one, I received the two boxes, book box subscription boxes, literally within the same 2-3 days of each other. So two unboxings for you right after each other, which is great. So here I have the OwlCrate February 2020 box. It didn't take as long as the January one. I'm going to tell you that. It actually took way less, about a week less, which is great. And it literally came in within the same range as the Fairy Loot one. Just this took a bit longer because it obviously does come from the USA. So that's a little disclaimer. Now, the only thing that kind of is scaring me at the moment is this. Now, I don't know if that means something's broken in here, but we're going to find out together, okay? Because this is freaking me out. I'm not liking that sound. I'm being very honest with you. So let's open the box and see what's in here, shall we? Let's do it. Okay. So, okay, this is interesting. I'll arrange that. So this is the February 2020 box and it's called The Power Within. I really like this card. This is so gorgeous. And this is the spoiler card. Obviously, I'm going to try and read that. Okay. So I'm going to leave this right next to me just in case I need to read on top of it. But the one thing I was really looking forward to, oh my god, I can see them right now, is these. These are the Throne of Glass playing cards. Let me see if I can find them on here right now. One thing I knew about them because it said from the last one. Let me just find them. Oh my god. No. Where's the playing cards? No, I'm not seeing them. Okay, it's either that I'm blind or I just can't find them on here. No. Oh, here you go. Okay. See how long it takes me just to find anything on here. So, Ardalan's assassin always has an ace up her sleeve, and now you can too with the Throne of Glass inspired playing cards. This deck features fan art from your favorite characters from the series, designed by a lot of people. So can we just open these quickly because I'm so excited to see what they look like, and also then I can actually read the series because I haven't read it yet. But I still got excited because everyone talks about these. The series is a very popular series on BigTube, so oh my god, it feels like velvet. Oh my god, this feels like velvet, guys. There we go. So let's open the cards, and I love how it's like foiled as well at the same time. But this paper feels, oh my god, I kid you not. Okay, typical. Everything falls. But I kid you not, these playing cards look amazing and they're foiled. Like, what? Oh my god, they've got foiled edges. And they feel very nice and they're very thick as well. Look how pretty. Oh, we have characters. I don't know that. I'm not going to be honest with you. I do not know who they are, but I will eventually know who these people are once I've read the books. So, those what the characters look like, what the cards look like. Should I get them all out and see where the characters are? We could do actually. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Okay, let me just see if I can find some more characters to show you. There we go. So there's this one. I am not going to know who these people are because I haven't read the books, but I am excited to read the books. So look at the fan art, it's literally gorgeous. Oh wow. Oh wow. These look amazing. Oh, let's see the Joker. Oh, this is a cute one. Looks like an old boyfriend of mine. Okay, let's just not go there. Okay. So those are the cards. I'm going to put them aside. Okay, be right back. Next, I'm seeing a keychain. I love keychains. I am a sucker for keychains. And it says Breakables Alumni. This is what it looks like. There you go. So it's a silver kind of enamel pin, but turned into a keychain. And this is Breakables University Alumni Keychain, inspired by The Magicians by Lev Grossman. And it's an OwlCrate exclusive, designed with love by Blooming Library. So that is what it's created by. There you go. Blooming Library. So let's see. Hey the Magician's fans. When you're not busy exploring fillery, you can return to Breakables using our alumni keychain designed by Blooming Library. So that's that one. We have a pin that's has to do with the book. I'm going to put that to the side because, oh my god, I see now why it was making a noise. I'm going to show that in a second, but I'm going to go through this little thing because this looks cute. Okay, what is this? Okay, I'm going to open it. Is it some kind of cleaner? Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so you have that on one side, and then I'm going to read this out because okay, so it says, a witch is just a girl who has realized her power is her own. Oh, that's cute. Okay, what is this exactly? It looks like there's like glass cleaners and like stuff like that. So I'm gonna try and find, let's see, cloth. Yes, screen cleaning cloth. So keep your glasses and e-readers dust free while you read with a double-sided screen cleaning cloth featuring designs inspired by Wicked Saints. I haven't read that book. Okay, the Nadia fan art was created by Nicole Deal, and the quote on the reverse was hand-lettered by Leaf and Lore. So that's really pretty. I love the handwritten quote. The handwritten quote is really nice, actually. And I just got an iMac, which is right behind you. I will show you guys in a second. And, you know, I need to keep it dust-free and, you know, and everything of the sort. So that's really cute. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys what's been rattling in this thing. And what I thought was broken, which is not broken. Okay, let me get it out. Oh, this is so handy, though. I'm going to be honest. This is such, like, I would say an oldie but goodie, but it's something practical. Is this a lunchbox? I think it is. It looks like a lunchbox. I'm like, oh my god, this is just amazing. What? Oh my god. Okay, I've got to read and find what this is exactly. Okay, let's see. Okay, Team OwlCrate designed this bento box for metal-eating alumnisers who like to pack their lunches while traveling through Lutherdale, and for Mistborn readers who enjoy tastier foods. We used Sendril steel alphabet to spell OwlCrate on the top. So I'm guessing this is what OwlCrate means in this kind of whatever. Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, so you open this, and there's a stainless spoon, and oh my god, these are chopsticks. These look like chopsticks. Okay, they're stuck. Okay. Well, and there's stainless steel chopsticks. Okay, wow, this is amazing. It's good for travel on the go. So let's open and see what it looks like. So it's green divider food lunchbox. Wow, handy and practical. Like, who would have thought that would be in a book box? I'm not joking. That is freaking amazing. Very practical OwlCrate. I like that a lot. I'm not joking. That's so practical. Sorry about all the noises I'm making at the moment. Didn't mean to. Okay, we have something in a brown envelope, and I'm going to get it out. Is that one there? Okay. And this is Thread Sisters BFF bookmarks. There's two. There's two of these. Okay, what are these? Okay, there's two bookmarks. Let's read and find where they are. Let's bookmark. Okay, forget old school plastic heart necklaces. Hey Atlas Creative designed two metal bookmark rulers inspired by the what? Truth Witch as the perfect BFF gift for you and your bookworm bestie. Oh my god! I should give one to my mom actually, because she reads books way more than me, so we'll give one of these to my mom. I'll always follow you, you'll always follow me. Thread Sisters till the end. Inspired by Witchland series by Susan Dennard. Oh my god, that's amazing. Okay, we like that one. Okay, I'm getting excited. Oh my god, okay. Okay, I'm really excited to get this. I actually ordered the Fairy Loot exclusive collection box, and they said it's gonna be delayed due to the, you know, whole virus thing that's going on at the moment, and I really want to read it. And there was, I think there was chapter 1 on the 10th anniversary Clockwork Angel series book that I have here, which I read. And this looks like there's more because there's, you know, more pages. So love cuts deeper than any blade. Fall in love March 3rd 2020. Pre-order your copy. Joined. Okay, that's, I don't need to think. Okay, what's this? Okay, why, what, how? Okay, exclusive sneak peek. Oh my god, is there anything on here that says the book talks about this? Wait, what? I'm just so no, we read that. No. Oh, what? No, there's nothing on here about it, so I'm just guessing they just added it, and there must be more than one chapter, definitely. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, there's 2 chapters. There's 2 chapters to read, so I can read another chapter. This is amazing. Oh my god, I can't wait. So it got delayed, so at least I can read another chapter. Okay, I'm seeing the book. Let's get it out. Now, I kind of got spoiled and found out what this book was after watching Becca and the Books. I think it was her TBR for March, and she mentioned that this was the OwlCrate February book. I was like, no, why am I watching this? So Becca, you ruined my, you know, thing. So anyways, this is the book for February OwlCrate subscription box, and it's All the Stars and Teeth. Why do I feel like, is it normal to feel like that? There's a whole line here. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay, well, I'm so particular and picky, and I hate when books are ruined or hardcovers are ruined. So let me open it and find out. Okay, so there is letter by the author. So it's by Adeline Grace, and this is the book. This is such a gorgeous book, actually. Now, can I just see if this is normal? Yeah, not normal. So it's kind of ruined. It's like, I don't know how I'm gonna explain this, but it's like there's like a whole line here, and I think there's a line on the back. Is there a line on the back? No, the back's good. It's the front. There's literally a line going down. It's like where it kind of got stuck and it like came together. So it's not even a straight line, and that really bugs me like a lot. Oh wow, amazing. So why do my books always get funny? See that line going all the way down? But anyway, I'm not gonna look at it because it will just start annoying me. So that is the hardcover. That's a gorgeous book. Okay, that's gorgeous. Okay, so let's get a bit of some information, synopsis on this book. So, set in a kingdom where danger lurks beneath the sea, mermaids seek vengeance with song, and magic is a choice. All the Stars and Teeth is a thrilling fantasy that should be on top of your to-be read list. Take a peek under our unique cover. We chose a color palette reminiscent of ocean depths with blues and teals. To see the full design on the hardcover, both are exclusive to this book. Books. What the hell? Author Adeline Grace signed the book and included a lovely author letter to our subscribers as well. So let's find the signature. There we go. There's the signature. I love having signed books. They're amazing. Okay, so that is the box, and shall we see what's next month's theme? So then you obviously get the booklet with everything inside, and let's see that's the difference within. So the original is very blue, where this one is more like a teal. Looks more oceanic, and there's more color and pop of color, and I really like it. I really do prefer this one, actually. More pop of color, we had to ask. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, we have the spoiler. We have the card for next month's theme, and it is Music of the Night. Interesting. And at the back it says, in every March box you'll receive an item from Flick the Wick. P.S. If you're already a subscriber, your account will be automatically renewed, which it just has actually. And this is the back. So that is I'm guessing a candle from Flick the Wick, and that is the card for next month. So that is quite interesting. If I had to say which item was my favorite out of all of this, I think I would have to say the playing cards are really cool, and I think I'm just gonna say the book. The book is gorgeous. I'm just loving the book. Oh my god, it just looks amazing. I love the foiling, I love the color scheme, I love it more than the original book, and I just can't stand this line. This line is gonna bug me forever on end. Can you guys see it? I'm just gonna see, there you go. This is just line going through. It's like really, for me, ruined the book. It's just bugging me so much. So I'm going to have to pretend I'm not seeing that line going down. I don't think that's normal, because I can't imagine that being normal, but that's just kind of an error in the paper. But anyways, that is the book for February's OwlCrate. See what I mean? I just don't know if I should cancel and keep and just stay with Fairy Loot, or keep them both, unless they're going to be the same book. So that's my dilemma at the moment. So I hope you guys like this February unboxing by OwlCrate. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day wherever you're in the world, and I'll see you soon.